Hello, good afternoon. I'm Angela Espinares, your student from SL2D, and for this afternoon, I'm going to demonstrate the Leopold's maneuver. Leopold's maneuver is a systemic method of abdominal palpation used to assess the fetal position, presentation, and engagement in the third trimester of pregnancy. And the types of Leopold's maneuver is the fundal grip, umbilical grip, and Paulic grip, and also the pelvic grip. The fundal grip is to palpate the superior surface of the fundus. The umbilical grip is to palpate the side of the uterus, and the Paulic grip is to determine any movement and whether the part is firm or soft, and the pelvic grip is to determine the fetal attitude and the flexion. And now we need to prepare the client to introduce ourselves. Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Andrea Espinares, your student nurse from University of St. Anthony. For verification, may I know your name po, your age, and where are you from po? Okay po, then thank you po. Ito pong procedure na ito, ma'am, ay ang Leopold's maneuver ay para po ma-assess natin kung anong position na po yung baby nyo and kung engaged na po ba siya sa inyong belly. And now, after that, we need to instruct the patient to empty the bladder and position the patient in the dorsal recumbent. Assuming that the patient is in a dorsal recumbent, now we need to drape our patient to have any privacy and also ask the patient if she done emptying the bladder. Now, in first maneuver, stand beside the table and face the patient. Okay. And place the palm in each side of the upper abdominal, and curl the finger around the fundus and determine the fetal parts. Fetal parts lie in the uterus. And in the second maneuver, move the hand downward over each side. Then determine the fetal parts are on each side. Then fetus back smooth the hard surface of a resistance as press inward. And in a third maneuver, spread the thumb and the finger as soon as possible, and also put the hands just above the patient's symphysis and the pubis, like this. And in a fourth maneuver, turn and face the patient's feet and place the hands in the sides and slide hand downward, then press inward. And last is to feel the part. If you can feel it, then probably it is descended.